Yo babla bing mene ko mi fala nye kemba le ken kpla mane no. Achomi ni ayi aka Ganyobiye, the only Ghana pilot, drone pilot in Ghana. Yes. Be ke mene o babie no ba kwemi be nke nye nokoni nke ba chonye. Ona dan en yu ake wa klo wa jiga ni gamamu efe wo fe efe wo drone ake wo manji capital ni mene noko yano ni makela ke no makake noko yano yo aklo wa wo nkenye ya heko ni ya chonye noko ni yano noko fe ni afe ona nso mwa chongbe shi academy town kanya anya kwewo ni nyenna beni ni yo for ma hanye details but details am you block for me bona ni my face small journalist damage for you bona ni yo one promote gang for in Kenya ya he gang ni jeme yo for wa no bana ni bi fair jin ni o nakodan keji o kwame keja blochi alo obega na manemi ekolo teche ni bi komeno le no ni ya no ehia yen channel na no nke fen baba ni nke ba habo e be akenu kafite be ni awo ya heni in Kenya ya ke surprise New York hanye o fa ne ko ken click bi ne no ba Choco YouTube ne kanu yin pa no subscribe ona ko subscribe bell ko ye me no yin no ko ni anytime I post video wana notification good be oba yin egbe no wo ka fite be pi wa yin Kenya ya chonye noko ya no ye ko ni AFL na agba nya wo ya no akwa beni. So construction is still ongoing, as you can see. See, there are a lot of wood. This construction is being built by a Chinese company, and some of my advice that we always give the Chinese contract. Actually, so as you can see the interchanges behind me, you see how lovely and nice it is, and it's look very huge, very big.